Okay, safety first. So, um, this little tip is how to extend the functionality from this GitHub page. This GitHub page is drag and drop for opportunities on Wall, so you can update the stage based on dragging and dropping them, kind of like Trello boards. Actually, almost exactly like Trello boards, just not as stylized through CSS, but it's essentially the same thing. So yeah. Let's show you this. So this is an app called Field Recon. It's on the AppExchange, and I created a wizard where we wanted to be able to assign users to permission sets without having to go into the setup menu. Because most people, installing this particular app have never been in the setup menu, don't know anything about Salesforce, so it always falls upon Field Recon to do some implementation, and then there's a lot of talking about who's going to do what. And what they wanted to do is be able to set up a wizard so that it's easy for them to get up and running very fast without any experience with Salesforce. So they get an email, they get instructions to log in, and one of the first things they're told to do is click on this wizard on the home screen. So click home, click wizard. And there's a series of steps in this wizard, and instructions at each stage. And I'm going to skip over to the portion that concerns us. So the first thing they have to do is assign people the squid permission, or page viewer permission, and that's right here. So they go in here, they say, okay, well, who's in this? What we rename this to be is add users to the app. So I'll add myself, and Kathleen and Chad. So that's just assigning users to that permission set. Save and continue. So there's a little bit more stuff going on here, and I'm going to reset this because this was set before. These are 4 separate permission sets and progressively more permissions in the system, and there's a description as to what you get based on what role you put the user in. So to the people doing this, actually I should tell them not to call it permission set. I would say assign them a role versus permission set, because I don't know, maybe a role is better. I don't know, whatever. So point is you can just drag and drop your users to permission sets. Takes a little while, but it's all JavaScript, and wouldn't I like it to be, really, but I'm not sure why it's taking that long. Really shouldn't be that long. Oh, the second one was faster. You gotta drag it when it's yellow, or drop it when it's yellow. There you go. Drag and drop users to permission sets in a wizard for after AppExchange install. Oh, also I'm going to show you the actual code. And a lot of this is straight from the GitHub. I didn't do much of anything here except for a portion after here. So basically, starting here, it's kind of a funky set of variables that need to be brought in, but it's not much code, but it's all there. That's assigning permission sets to users, or assigning users to permission sets. That's the correct thing to say. And there you go.